Kailangan mo to, lalo na kung madalas kang gumala or mag-travel with your pet. Hi guys, Doc Ara here. Alam ko, traveling with pets is stressful but it doesn't have to. Lalo na kapag prepared ka. So here's some of the essentials na kailangan nyo for travel with your pet. Kanilang stroller or yung pet carrier nila para dun sila for safety purposes. Especially kapag nasa kotse, naka-stay put sa kotse. Portable fan for your pets, especially for open areas or yung mga parks para iwas heat stroke tayo. Just like this Jisoo Life fan. Merong clip at meron yung parang 4 legs. One favorite way of mine to use this fan is to clamp it or i-twist yung 4 legs niya sa handle ng ating stroller. Tapos itututok lang siya malapit dun sa fur baby. Ang maganda rin dito, matagal ang kanyang battery. May ilaw rin siya para if you need extra light kapag medyo madilim na para makita yung fur baby, pwede nyo itong i-on. Spill-proof water bottle. Siyempre, dapat hydrated ang pets natin at hindi sila mauuhaw. Next, collapsible food bowl. Para dito ilalagay ang kanilang dog food or treats kapag nagutom sila. Vaccination card nila. As a veterinarian, I do recommend na kumpleto na ang vaccines nila before traveling or gala. So, yung mga 5-in-1, 6-in-1, 8-in-1. I also recommend yung kennel cough vaccine for dogs also. For cats naman, yung mga 4-in-1 or 3-in-1. And of course, yung anti-rabies vaccines nila. Next is yung mga pang-aliw nila, mga toys. Kapag kuwari nasa isang lugar para hindi sila mainip. Yung mga disposables natin, like for example, yung mga pee pad, diaper, as ng poop bags. Maganda rin na may pet wipes. Pag may accident sila or mapawiwi, pupo, meron kayong panglinis. And if you have other concerns regarding your traveling, lalo na kapag air travel to, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.